Dear viewers, wanted to go out for a ride with my Royal Enfield. Put my key in and absolutely no electrical power at all. So I've turned the ignition on, the bike is in neutral, no neutral light, no headlight, can't start the bike, the kill switch is in on position, no horn, nothing at all. Now if this happens, don't panic. It's more than likely that the main fuse is gone. Now the fuse is located on the side, so the first thing you have to do is open the side. It's super easy. Remove the toolbox, pull the fuse box out. So that's the fuse box. Royal Enfield only has two main fuses. So one is a 15 amp, the other one is 10, and then you have two spares here. So open this box. So I've opened the box. These two are the main fuses, these two are spares. So pull the fuses out and check. So I'll pull out the main fuse first, which is a 15 amp. Just pull it out like that. So I've just pulled out the fuse, and as you can see, the fuse is broken in the middle, hence the bike is not starting. Now these fuses are very cheap to replace, but we already have a spare one, so I'll just pull out the spare one now and just push it back into the original fuse hole. So I've pushed it in, so the 15 amp goes to 15, 10 goes to 10. So I've pulled the 15 amp spare and put it in here. Now let's see what happens. Pull the key out. See? The engine is running, and all the lights and all the switches are working now. Thank you guys.